There's a horse in there now. Why are they not fighting? That's so awesome. There he is, Farmer Brown. All right, we finally made it. Let's head on out. All right, we are heading out to the creek right now on this cold winter day. Like I said before, it is freezing outside. Dangerous things I've ever done in my entire life. Just kidding. Yeah, we gotta get down to that bridge right there. Check that bridge out. Pretty cool. Something New York on it. Commission of New Cumberland. Maybe it was a gift. Look at the design on the sides of it. They don't build stuff in America like they used to. Load out. It's very muddy here. Oh, quicksand. Wow, look how nice it looks down there. It's Washington State, right above California. So check out this paddle. I used to have this cool one that was clear and it had nice patterns on it, but I lost it and I don't know whatever happened to it, so I had to buy this cheap one. Let's head on out. And we have liftoff. This is definitely sketchy. I think I only went once during the summer and now, so it may seem calm now, but we're actually going to hit some pretty bad rapids, so it's going to get pretty sketchy here. And it is freezing. It's like negative 50 degrees. Yo, I think someone's hunting up there. Any luck? Look what I found, guys. When the struggle is over, once you've stopped smoking, take a second and pat yourself on the back. Now think about all the money you are saving and what you'll do with it. All those years you may have added to your life and what you'll do with them. Remember that temptation may not be gone forever. However, the hard part is behind you. So look forward with a positive attitude and enjoy your new life as a non-smoker. Thank you. Park the kayak here for a second to take a break. I always like to check out what it looks like up here. Oh, looks like we got some hunting action. Saw that guy earlier when I was taking a pice. This guy's got a nice Chevy pickup. You know, I always looked at this farm, I've always come back to it before, and I always said that this is the amount of land that I want one day. Be able to just drive the trucks, go off-roading. Of course, I'd keep a lot of it like woods, so we could find a lot of trails and make some trails and run over logs and stuff like that. But this would be the future right here, man. Gotta love this place. All this land right here. Doesn't even matter what the house looks like. Sure, I've been spotted by now. They're probably looking at me like, what am I doing over here? I always thought too, if there was a way to get over there to be able to fish. So that's always awesome. Got a can right there. That's crazy. So we better head back on the trail. We got a long way to go, guys. You guys probably don't think that this is that big of a deal, but we got rapids down there, so it's about to get a little sketchy. No! We made it! Yo, I just heard tons of deer running through the woods there. Alright guys, got the kayak right down in there. Had to stop, take another break, and there's a hunting tent right there, so we gotta be quiet. Got a long way to grow. This is the Pennsylvania Turnpike to get down to Carlisle, about 30 minutes. It's like $2.50. It's not that bad. Oh no. Got a long way to go. Stopping to take a break here. Check what I got out. I got this protein bar, cinnamon roll, and then I also got maple glazed pecan and sea salt. Just gonna eat that real quick and then we'll continue on the journey. Alright, you see that driveway over there? I can only imagine that a guy in a pickup truck, guy in the bed holding a gun would be like, hey! Well, we're just taking a break, so I'm sure they don't mind, right? Protein bar doesn't look anything like the picture at all. That looks like cake. This looks like a granola bar or something. Either way, it's pretty good.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Good.
You got it?
Yep.
4:06. I don't know how long we have. I just ate a lot of snacks. Just drank a water bottle. Sun is going down over the mountains over there, so we gotta get going. And check it out over here. Got this kayak here, and then mine's down there. I'm glad that it's still there, but yeah, the water is freezing and sun is going down. Probably gonna have to eat some of these. Heading down to the kayak now. See, this is why GoPros are amazing, because if I had to carry that huge camera that's also not waterproof, that would be something. Whoa! Oh man.
You alright?
Yeah. Finally made it to the end of the trip. It's been a couple hours. Place to get out there and also down here, but there's the dam and it just turns into pure rapids and the water moves really fast down there, so there's no way I'd make it with a kayak. I don't even think I'd tube over it either. Yeah, I'm getting pretty close to the dam here. Better get out. Alright guys, we finally made it out of the creek. We had to get out, plus it's also getting dark. So go get my truck and then we'll be able to head to the store and buy something amazing. Guys, so we're on the road once again. I gotta go get the kayaks because we just left them by the water and everything. I still got some energy drink left. And yeah, I think I forgot all my water there by the water, so I'm gonna have to head back soon. I thought I brought it with me, but I guess not. Stock headlights on the Silverado. Let me switch on the high beams in 3, 2, 1. And those are the high beams. Some weird car just chilling. Just chilling, sitting there. New Toyota. Man, this is only fit for one truck. There's no way another car could fit down this way. Man, I gotta hurry. Gotta get to my water. Like, it'd be horrible if a car right now just decided to come down the road. That would be a terrible, terrible thing. Alright, about to roll up right here. Put rocks there so I can't drive any farther back. Alright, let's get on out. Should be back here. Hopefully no one's back here. Hey! There it is, man. You can't even tell that it's there because it's camo. Holy crap. Last one. Here with this manual Ford. Check that out. Oh, that's awesome. It shows the gears on it. I've tried in the car and it didn't show them at all, so I wouldn't know which or where they are. And crazy amount of miles on it, almost 200,000. But yeah, I'm gonna try to drive manual again and it's probably not gonna work out too well. Dang it.
Put it in second.
How do I do it?
Put the clutch in and pull it back. And give it gas. Oh!
Back to first?
Yep.
So I'm here in the Silverado. Had to get another battery dropped off. The kayak's not in there anymore, but I got this clothes back here and something in this box. I'm gonna try to sell this stuff to make up for the money for the big purchase today. Power stroke. Oh, and you got a nice Mustang right there. Recently put the new laces on them. Here's the box. So we gotta make this quick, make sure no one's looking. All right. The box up. Sure. There we go. Buyer is going to take all of this, but I'm not sure. This is the whole winter setup right here. You got everything you need to be Alaskan Woods. Look at that, you don't see that every day. You can get your burger, do some finances, and then just celebrate your day at the Hero Lounge. First drive with the Silverado being clean. Just kidding, it's probably about the third time and it's looking so good. Flops on and we're about to head in and see if they'll buy it. Alright guys, making a run back to the Silverado. Forgot my ID. Yeah, gotta be very legal about this. Legal matters, legal environment. Oh. Alright, we're good to go. Check out that Silverado. Look how clean and garage kept that truck is. Those wheels are so shiny. Alright, they didn't take it, guys. This feels horrible and I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to still spend the money today, and it's very offensive that they didn't take it because these are just really hard working man boots and they have just signature scratches and cuts all over it, and they did not really appreciate that, and for that I just left and they're not going to get my business. See ya. So good. Look at that. Lifted Cummins, guys. I drove that in an old video. If you guys remember that video, you guys have to be long time watchers of the Upshift Z71 channel to know what I'm talking about. That is a lifted Cummins. Hey guys, Derek here. Black smoke this time, everybody. Here for you. Go. Stacks on 38-inch mud terrain tires. That's if they didn't change or not. Let's go check it out. That is the same tires that was on it before. 38-inch tires, stacks, Ram Cummins. Second Amendment front plate, United States of America, don't tread on me. Rockstar rims, I'm pretty sure those are 20s. That thing is sitting high, and they took it off-road too. 3rd gen Cummins with stacks. The thing is sitting so high, and they definitely off-roaded it. 3,500 stacks in the back. The truck sits so high. 38, 13.5, R20. And there goes the Cummins down there. Something wrong with it. Just made it to Fuel and Stream, ladies and gentlemen. Finished the drink. Let's head on in. Get one of these Stingray power augers, 8-inch. You can see you can put the fuel in it. Probably do a diesel conversion to it and a manual transmission. It's very good. It's only $300, say 50 bucks. Probably going to pick up one of these too. No, that's a cheap price. I'll invite all the fans over for a cookout. Yeah. All right guys, going to show you guys these new headphones that you can get. So you need to have a phone that has the aux, but you plug the aux in and then shove this end into your ear, and it's really good music. Biggest apology, I bought this cheap coat when we have the Made in the USA coats right here. Just look at that, Made in the USA. Could have bought one of these. So much better quality.